Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Zach with Money Pit RC. In today's video, we got our hands on the COOP RC EEL chassis. So they make two different options for this chassis. So they have a full aluminum kit, and they also have a 3D printed kit, which they call the EEL LITE. So we got our hands on the EEL LITE kit. So this is a full 3D printed chassis. It comes with frame rails, sliders, magnet mounts, battery tray, everything you need to build up this chassis, and then all you have to do is add your electronics, axles, all that other stuff. So I'm going to show you everything that it comes with. I'm going to talk about it, and then we're going to take it out and give it a true test. So this is how it's going to come. It's going to come in a nice bubble mailer. You're going to get the chassis rails themselves, and then you're going to get a bag of all the goodies. So in this bag, you are going to get a skid plate, the magnet mounts. He also includes the magnets themselves, which is awesome. Some chassis stiffeners. These are rock sliders, which they are actually two-piece rock sliders, which is cool. These outsides can slide off, so you can access the bolt holes. And then a awesome 3D printed battery tray. So this is everything that you're gonna get in your kit, and I think its price for the 3D printed ones is only $25. Which is, I think, a great deal for everything that you get. So we already have one built up. So we did get the pink, which is a newer filament color that he has. So he has the pink and the lime. Has a whole bunch of other different colors also. And like I said, he does have the aluminum version if you want that, if you want more strength, but I have no problem with the 3D printed ones. I am running gladiator links on mine, so it is a little bit longer. You can run C10 links, deadbolt links, anything that you pretty much want. The quality of this 3D print is fantastic. I don't expect anything less. Everything bolted right in, no problem. I do not have the rear magnet mount on because I am just running a body in the front. The rear end is fully exposed. So this thing has a crazy skid angle. It is more of a competition chassis. It's very sleek, very cool design. I've had this thing out a couple times and I'm already impressed. Just the way everything is set up, everything is fantastic. So this is actually my first EEL chassis. He has a whole bunch of other ones also. Definitely gonna have to get those because, like I said, I am impressed with this so far. So I will leave a link in the description box to his Etsy where you can check out all of his products. He has a whole bunch of other stuff also, so make sure you check that out. So we're just gonna go over this build quick, just see what the parts I'm using and so forth. So we have the COOP EEL LITE chassis, all the supplied 3D printed stuff. So underneath we have Endura high clearance links, gladiator length. We have just some generic aluminum axles. We are running the OGRC axle shafts in the front, plus 4mm width to extend the track a little bit. Same in the rear, plus 4mm axle shafts on the inside. Just the Endura rear truss bracket. We have stock drive shafts. We have a Torque MLS 1022 servo, which this has the built-in mount. So you have no ears to worry about, won't get caught up in anything. We have the Endura 40mm big bore shocks, which best shocks ever, just did a video on these. We also have some Trio beadlock wheels with the mini black label tires. As for motor ESC, we have a FuriTech Stellar transmission with a, it's a mini Komodo. We have the Python integrated receiver, transmitter, dealio. So the electronic setup is awesome. It's a really great setup actually. So it doesn't take much to make a good performing crawler. You just need the weight distribution well, you just need some good quality parts, and just set up very well. This chassis rail helps you set everything up because it's pretty much already set up for you. It does give a lot of options for your shock mounts. Even for the lower skid plate, you have options. Also for the upper links, you have a whole bunch of holes there just so you can have different options if you need to change it for the axle angle. This chassis is solid. All right, before we take it outside, we're just gonna do it on the crawler tracks a little bit just so you guys get an idea, and that's what I do in every video. So we're just gonna do that now. Got a whole bunch of stuff on the bench. I gotta clean some of this crap off. Don't even have enough room for the pipeline. Almost knocked my stuff off. Frame bender. I'm gonna look sick. There's a motor sitting there. All right, now let's take it outside. So I hope you guys can hear me. We are at a new spot, which this spot is on the creek and it's usually covered in water, but the water level is real low right now. And I found a cool couple lines that we're gonna try out. It's super windy, like 40-mile-an-hour gusts. So I'm hoping my windscreen works. If not, sorry for the wind noise, but we're gonna see what this eel chassis can do. Also, we did put the permanent body on the eel chassis and that's what it is now. God, that scared me. So this is what it looks like now. We put a body on it. It is October, so breast cancer awareness. So we figured with the pink chassis, let's do some pink beadlocks and a pink body. So what do you guys think of that? All right, so like I said, normally all this is covered under the water, but it is dried out because don't know why. So let's put some little cool rocks over here. Like I said, we're gonna try see if we can find a cool line over here. Very steep, and it's soft. Oh. That was easy. Starting on an incline, but small rock. Let's see if we can come across here. Oh. Nice. Think we can make it across that? Nope. But might help. All right, guys, I'm going to end the video there. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will leave a link in the description box below where you can check out the EEL chassis and all of other COOP RC's products. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. You know, I enjoy reading through all your feedback. I'll catch you guys in the next video.